just came and I got something. I think this is from my sister Tammy Pally of Peace Craft Dolls. Let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, I love how she uses this old pattern to wrap things. She has been gifted a bunch of really old patterns that she's not going to use, and so she is recycling, and it's just kind of a neat touch. Oh, open on Christmas. Well, that's a week from today, so I'll have to wait on that. Oh, look at all the fun stuff. Oh, look at that. VBR fabric. Actually, I'm not going to open this up because I want y'all to be surprised when we announce the theme. And just in case this is going to give away the theme, it'll have to wait. And then, what do we have here? Oh, this looks like a top. I know, I recognize this top. Hang on. It's a top. It is very boho. I love this. So I'm going to go back to this. I'm not going to open it up, but a lot of you are probably going, what the heck is VBR fabric? What does that mean? Well, VBR stands for Virtual Blythe Retreat. Blythe are dolls that my sister and I collect, and we host, for the past 3 years, a retreat, and it's a crafting retreat that we host virtually on a Facebook page, and this has to do with that. It will be in June, and if y'all are interested, just stay tuned. We will be announcing the theme in the next few months. We're still working on details and all, but just stay tuned, and I'll leave a link down in the description box below to Tammy's Facebook page, because that's where a lot of our announcements about this will be. And anyway, so that's what that's all about. So anyway, back to the rest of the unboxing. A couple of things look like sewing type things. We have a really small little cutting board, which this is going to be really nice to use, you know, like for doll things, smaller things. I have a really big one, but sometimes most of the time, I don't need something that big. So this is going to be nice. And here we have a yo-yo maker. Isn't that what those are called? I remember my grandmother making those. In fact, she did a clown doll for us girls using a lot of these yo-yos. Well, there's another video coming up. After I figure out how to use it, I will come back and show you how to do that. There's some really nice scissors. Those are really nice. And I think these are scissors. They're kind of, you cut like, whoops, sorry. You cut like this instead of like these. These are, you squeeze. I actually have a pair similar to this. They're a little bit heavier. They're not as small as these, but it's really nice to be able to squeeze and cut. And then we have some glass head pins. These are really nice. Most of the head pins I have they have a plastic top. So if you do some ironing and you accidentally iron over them, they can melt. Like these. Oh, and there's stainless steel shaft. These are nice. Fine and sharp. And I'm excited about these. I got some from New Craft Day. I think these are smaller. I'll open them up, but they're stapled shut. But yeah, these are a lot smaller than the ones I got from New Craft Day. So these will be nice to use whenever I'm sewing for my dolls. And then I think, oh, these, she was telling me about these. These are a magnetic clasp, which is nice. I get asked about redoing bracelets all the time and putting magnetic clasps on them for some of my friends who have issues with their hands and they can't maneuver things like this. So those will be nice to tuck away for the next time I'm asked to do that. Look at this, isn't that pretty? Glass pendant. Crystal glass rainbow teardrop. That's really pretty. And then the next thing we have in here is this fabric. Isn't this pretty? We have little angels and love letters and hearts. And the last thing that was in there is this. This is actually, it looks like it came from Big Lots. Strips, which, you know what? First thing that my mind goes to with these is to make one of those crazy quilt blankets. There's all kinds of things you can do with these. Actually, you could probably make scrunchies. I bet they're thick enough to do that. There's a lot you can do with this. I love the color of this, though. We've got this. Isn't that pretty? I love the turquoise. And then, look at that. Ooh, look at that. I like that. And then we have this, and the green, and some more flowers. This reminds me a lot of maybe the 70s. Anyway, that is all that I'm going to show you in this Happy Mail box. Like I said, this is going to have to wait, and I can't open this till Christmas. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.